I guess before I kind of thought like, oh, when I'm not working on school, like I should feel bad about myself because I'm not focusing on it. But being able to see this like extracurricular project and get to the point of view where I felt good about working on it, it helped me de-stress and kind of take some weight off my shoulders with school.
It was definitely a very fun experience and something that was very enjoyable, even though it was a challenge. And I really look forward to seeing where else this can go.
We just kind of looked at different ways that older cars, like where they fall short, and we kind of looked at what we could do to improve upon those shortcomings. Just seeing like the judges' response to our ideas, it definitely was, it made us a lot more confident in our ideas, and the moment when they called our names, like, it was exciting. I was just as excited about getting to keep the big check. If I'm being honest, I'm happy about that. We're gonna put it on our dorm wall.